Good day. This video is on how to prepare a monthly strength and activity report. This also can be found in Cadet Regulation 1, Chapter 2, and the appendices that are labeled A as in alpha. So to get the strength report form, I'm going to go to the cadet.org website and go to the document library for forms. This is a Form 5. So when I open my Form 5, I get an Excel document. When I open the Excel document, I'm going to actually, this is what it looks like, but I'm going to go up to View, and I'm going to zoom in so that I can show you, you can see a little easier what exactly I'm doing. So I'm going to start here with the report date. So I'm going to type in this report date box, the date that I'm doing this. Generally, I'm going to do this on the 1st of the month. So this is the 1st of September 2013. Then I'm going to type, the next item is my unit designation. So this is my battalion number. So this, let's say I'm part of the 345th Battalion, and the next entry is my brigade. Let's say I'm part of the 11th Brigade. And then the unit name is the name of my school. So let's say I am at Stevenson Middle School. Type that in there. And now I'm going to go to next entry, which is the city and state. So let's say I am in San Bernardino, California. And my unit classification, this is a middle school. And now you'll notice that it says my unit strength is 0. Do not type anything in this box that says unit strength. If you're doing the form correctly, it will automatically fill in what you need. Notice up here where I'm highlighting, this already has a formula in it. Don't mess with the box G11. Just leave it alone, and it will automatically fill in the strength as you go along. So what you do here is you're filling in row 15. Okay, only row 15 is the only thing you are filling in. And you type in row 15 only, the number of cadets that are that gender enlisted for that grade. So I'm a middle school, so let's say I have 34 6th grade males, 19 6th grade females, 21 7th grade males, 14 7th grade females, 26 8th grade males, 17 8th grade females. I have no 9th, 10th, 11th, or 12th. And I only have one cadet officer who's an 8th grade female. Notice that it already filled in now the unit strength for me, and it filled in total enlisted male, total enlisted female, total officer male, total officer female. Again, only fill in row number 15. Do not complete anything in rows row 11 or 10. Just leave those blank. Okay, the next section of the activity report is where you are indicating the activities that the cadets did in the previous month. So this is September, so I'm going to be listing the things that happened during August. So let's say on the 3rd of August, and I need to write a correct date here, so 3 August of 13, and sometimes it does weird things like this where it tells you, when it does this number sign, it's because it doesn't like the distance in it doesn't like the the date format. So if it does that, if you just type it in and let it do its normal thing, and it will, when the state gets the report electronically, hopefully it will, if you're sending it electronically, it will appear. The other thing you can do is if you type in there, again, 3 August 13, and sometimes it just does weird things like that, so just leave it the way it is, and you can actually just don't worry about it. You can tell from the electronic document what date was actually there. Let's say on that date we did the opening school color guard, and then on the 17th of August we did back to school night, school service. Okay, then the next month, here in September, on the 7th of September, we're going to do a VFW color guard. On the 17th of September, we're going to do the family picnic. And on the 30th of September, we're going to do the breast cancer run for community service. So that's my report. I basically finished my report. At the bottom, the cadet that prepared it could type their name here. So let's say this is Cadet Sergeant Jimmy Jones, and would sign it. And under the cadet commander is going to authenticate it. So let's say that is Cadet Second Lieutenant Mary Smith. And here under commandant, the commandant is going to indicate their information. So let's say my commandant is Captain Kendra Walls. That would be, now if I go back to my normal view, I can see the entire report has been filled in. And I didn't do anything in rows 10 or 11. Now, the one thing that you'll notice obviously is weird about this is that these dates did not appear properly. So one of the things that I can do there is and again, this is obviously a challenge in our form, but I can also just type in 3 September. Well, I'm going to clear those contents and type in 3 September. Let's type in September 3rd. Still doesn't work. Well, so that is obviously a glitch in our program, and I'll have our S6 attempt to fix that. But just leave it the way it is. You can also just if you want over here, you can type in 3 September just so we can see it until this glitch gets fixed. Okay, but that's it. That's the entire form. It's a really fairly straightforward form. And that concludes this video on how to prepare a monthly strength and activity